Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a table in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. So here you can see there is a table which is made by me. Well, let's say I want to remove this table. So what I'll do is just select any of the cell of this table, and then there will be appeared a tab which is called design. I have to go to it, and here you can see there is an option of tools which includes convert to range. I have to click on it, and it wants me to um, confirm if I want to convert to this table to a normal range. So I will click yes. Here you can see it's converted to a normal range. From this home tab, and this from editing options, you can you can choose clear, which includes clear formats. You can click on it and click on any other formats if there is any, which will remove all the formats of your table. This is how you can remove a table if you don't want it. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more future updates. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.